January and February, David, 'tis the season to take a look at your finances.
Right.
So what are the pros to a TFSA and the pros to an RRSP?
A TFSA, any money that you put into there, that as you make gains on it, is tax exempt. There's never any tax to be paid. An RRSP works slightly differently. Any gains that you make are what's called tax deferred. So you will pay tax on it, on those gains, but down the road later when you actually withdraw money from your RRSP, you'll end up paying the tax. The trade-off though, and the nice benefit is in the short term, immediately when you make that contribution, you get a tax break for making that contribution. And for many people, then it means they end up getting a refund from the government when they file their taxes.
As an example, if I'm making $50,000 a year and I want to contribute $10,000, where would you suggest I put my money? Is it the TFSA or the RRSP?
If you didn't need that money to use that money, that $10,000 that you were going to contribute for in the short term, it was just for long-term savings, the RRSP probably puts you slightly ahead. The values kind of work out to in the neighborhood of $35,000 versus $33,000.
Right.
In an RRSP versus a TFSA, again, for 25 years, assuming a 5% rate of return, and assuming you take that refund you get from the government and you invest it, which is what most people don't do.
What would you suggest ultimately, that I put all that money into the RRSP? Is it an either-or situation?
It's not an either-or. Your goal should be to max out both. A lot of people aren't going to be in a situation where they just have enough savings. If you're uncertain and you're really nervous and you're not sure what to do because there's so much information out there, put the money into a TFSA. If you regret the decision and you realize you should have put it into an RRSP, you can always take it from your TFSA without penalty.
That's good.
Whereas your RRSP, you end up being taxed on it and there's administration fees to withdraw from it. So if you're uncertain, favor the TFSA and then make your decision later.
Thank you.